Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a little bit, but now I'm back. But today we're going to talk about brushes, makeup brushes. And I'm going to give a shout out to Jen211 who put the question up, what brushes do you use? So let's talk about the brushes that we use. So I've used, let me just get a picture of them up here for you. So here are some of the brushes. Put these up. And these came in a set. And I don't know if any of you remember that back in the day, it was the artisan brushes. They were like $150 for the set. But then, you know how I feel about my coins. We got clever and we found a dupe. And these are the iBeauty brushes. So these were a whole lot less. I think these were like $29.99 for the set. So I saved a lot of money by getting these and I got the same results. These brushes, I love them so much because look how dense they are. Oh my God. That's a brush for you. Woo! Right? Look how dense that is. That's a brush. So I love these. So Jen, iBeauty. And I think you can get iBeauty brushes on Amazon maybe. I'll put it in the description below exactly where you can get the brushes. And also these brushes right here. This one, and this one. They came in a set also. And these are, wait a minute, these are Bella Pro. These are Bella Pro brushes. Also very dense, nice and soft. I love these brushes. And also, I have, what are these brushes right here? Morphe. Got my heavy duty Morphe brushes. Now I love this one right here because it fits perfect like in the eye area. Nice and dense. Nice and soft. Y'all see it, right? So this is a good brush too. Morphe. Let me put up this so you can see it. Morphe brush. And then I have a couple of loose brushes I find when I'm out. I say a brush and I think it's going to be pretty good. And this one I was happy with. This one's called Urban Studio. And this is a contouring brush. So this one's kind of like for doing, you know, this area here. And sometimes, you know, when you're in a hurry in the morning, you reach for whatever brush going to do the job. But anyway, this one is by Urban Studios. And lastly, I have, let me just see what this one is. Oh, I can't see what that one is. That one, the name came off already on that one. And I apologize, but sometimes, you know, when you use your brush and wash it, the name kind of wears off. So I apologize for that. But another one that's good is the RT brushes, which I have this one. And it's almost similar as the iBeauty brushes in shape, kind of. And I have this one. This one's a beauty. Look how dense that is. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love it. And I also have this brush. So that's it for brushes. I'll put the exact names of all of them and where I purchased them below so you can see for yourself. But thank you, Jen211, for that request of and that question of what brushes do I use. That was a very good one. I appreciate it.